Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
The use of a girl. And don't forget, for is used with the present perfect or past perfect. Since is also used for the present perfect or past perfect, because for and since are time indications or keywords for the present perfect and the past perfect. When the action starts in the past and continue in the present, we use present perfect with, for, or since. Now, when the action was happening in the past, when or while another action was happening, we use past perfect tense with, for, or since. So, for and since are keywords or time indications for the present and past perfect. That's the reason why here we use present perfect for, with, for, and since. And now don't forget, for is used to express the duration of an action or an event. This is for. Now since is used for to express a beginning of an action or an event. So this is for and since. Thank you very much. We have here a girl. Now we have to know a girl is a time indications or keywords for the simple past. Differences between for and since and a girl are among the tenses and the uses. For is used to express a duration for an action and an event. Since is used to express a beginning of an action or an event. And now it is used for the present perfect or the past perfect. We use for the present perfect or past perfect. We use since for the present perfect or past perfect because these are keywords or time indication for the present and past perfect. Differently, they have a girl. A girl is a time indication for the simple past or preterite. That's the reason why it is used. It is used for the simple past or preterite. That's not the same with for and since, which are used for the present perfect tense or the past perfect tense. Thank you. Now let's give examples. I'm sorry. Rama lived in town 10 years ago. Rama lived in town 10 years ago. If Rama had lived in town for 10 years, that means Rama had lived in town since 2011. That means, or that also means here, Rama lived in town 10 years ago. We have Rama lived in town 10 years ago. We have here the preterite or the simple past. Simple for a simple past. So we have played the games for 5-hour duration. We have played games since 1 o'clock. Since beginning of this action of playing games. So here we have we play the games 5 hours ago. We have 5 hours ago. Ago is used with the simple past because it is a time indication for the simple past. So we use ago to express complete action or event. So we use ago to express a complete action or event. This is Rama lived in town 10 years ago. The action of living in town is finished. Here, the action of living in town with Rama is finished. Here, we played the games 5 hours ago. Right here, the action of playing games is finished. So, we use ago to express a complete action or a finished action. That's the use of ago. And ago, don't forget, it is a time indication for a simple past or preterite. That means we have to use ago with the preterite or a simple past. Thank you very much. This was a grammar lesson to know how to use these expressions or these structures with, for, since, and ago. Now we use for to express a duration of an action. We use since to express the beginning of an action or an event. Alright? We use ago to express a complete action or a finished action or an event. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Tape www.suivi d'école au Sénégal.